Hey everyone, my name is Slater. So I've just put this V24 anchor in, and what I want to be able to do is have people be able to work both sides of this roof. Two people off this one V24, which isn't a problem at all for the anchor. But what I want to do is make sure the connectors don't interfere. So what I did is I took one long rope and I did figure eight here and a figure eight here, and I put enough slack in between those figure eights so that either one of these ropes can get pulled tight without pulling on this. And so basically they're totally independent systems. And anyway, so we've got some ridge cap to do and other stuff to do, and that's just a flashing piece I had hanging around. But the chimney flashing is going really well. Brian's doing an incredible job with that. That's going to look really nice when it's all done. But so what you can do with one line, figure eights and slack and a V24 or a V18, is do some cool stuff. I'll take care.